Great win. We know it was going to be difficult because Maccabi is a very good team. Also, we're missing some key players, but I think everybody did a great job today. We fought together, and we're happy about the win.
It's a pretty good night in every aspect.
Good job, Roddy! Good job!
What about Tibor over here? He was
Tibor,
injured before this game.
Tibor, amazing. I mean, like you said, he was struggling with his ankle, but he fought for us, and we're very happy.
Thank you.
I know, like, it's always easier, you know, it's better to win sometimes by 20 points, but winning a game in this situation by a block, and everybody was pumped up, like the whole team came on the court, you know, it was like just 1 second left. Everybody was happy, and this is an amazing feeling as well.
Of course, we had a problem with we missed our main center Dunstan and also backup Shalna Sertac. So only with Pleiss on the center, like you told, he played 32 minutes tonight, and without Larkin, that last week he gave us too much in Athens against Olympiacos. Bebois replaced him very well, and it was a great offensive game. So also Maccabi have a chance to win the game, but I believe that last 2 minutes we made finally we get successful to stop to their guards, and we won the game.